say my credit's not that great. Do you have a credit repair program that you can help me with in order to get my credit?
It's a great question, actually. So I do a lot of that, and there's really two different flavors of it. So I've got a tool where on my credit report, it tells me not only your current credit score, but a potential credit score. And so I have the ability to then go in and kind of manipulate some of the data on your credit report, and by doing so, it will let me know how much that impacts your credit score. And so a good example, most of the time, it's just a matter of maybe paying down a credit card to a certain balance. There's a lot of times where I can increase somebody's credit score, a couple tiers to where it'll allow them to qualify for a much better rate and term.
Okay.
In other instances where it's kind of above my pay grade, I'm not a licensed credit, specialist. So if I'm not able to get the type of results that we want with my tool, I have a licensed credit specialist that I do refer clients to.